Yeah. Woohoo! Dude, I want to give you a high five so bad. Yes. What's up, guys? So we made it to another lake again in Oklahoma, and it's me and Gavin today. We're gonna have a good time. It is, however, just like mist and rain like crazy. I don't know how it's gonna go. The wind's picked up a little bit, so we'll see what happens. But with that, guys, we're gonna fish from the bank for a little while. Hopefully some of this will calm down just a little bit. And guys, if I am coming in and out of focus, it's because there are little droplets hitting that lens. Making that happen, I apologize. But hopefully today, all in all, is gonna be a good day. I'm gonna go ahead and put this camera up though. We're gonna fish from the bank for a little bit and then get the boat out. And I'll catch you guys here in a bit. Did you miss one?
Yeah.
There must be a brush pile or something right here. Must be some kind of structure they're sitting on.
Keep down.
All right, guys, keep down. Hold on, I got the net.
All right.
Hold on, guys. Just bring them into the net.
Trying.
Ah, come on. He jumped the net. Yep. Good job, man. Woo. That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude, and he gobbled that.
Boy, howdy.
Good job, man. Oh, don't. Good job, Gavin. Heck yeah, man, that's the monster.
That is a nice fish.
Yeah, is that Ned rig?
Yeah.
Yeah, he gobbled that thing. It's just down in his gills there. That's why he's bleeding a little bit. It ain't no big deal.
Yeah. Just trying to get it out.
Holy cow, man, that is a giant fish. It's a good fish, probably 5-pounder.
Yeah. 413.
Nice, almost 5 pounds. Heck yeah, good fish. All right, man, that's awesome. That's awesome. Oh. Yep. She had it for a second. She just mouthed it though. I'm turning
That's
that.
a nice fish too.
Hold on, man. I cannot believe this. This is crazy. Gavin is kicking my butt right now, boys. I don't know. Easy, easy. Keep him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big fish. Big fish. No,
Oh,
it's a drum. Gavin's slime puppy king today. He's got that nasty funky thing. He's kicking my butt, guys. I shouldn't say the other. Man, they're swallowing that thing.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. That's a drum. It ain't a bass. You can get bass. You gotta. Well, that tells me they're sitting down at the bottom.
Look at that.
There we are. 5/0. 5/0 skinny. Is this the right ones? Yep, it is. 5 skinny. So I like these hooks because they give you a better profile look on those baits, on a lot of different baits. Like,
what hook is it?
It's the regular worm hooks.
Yeah, I've been thinking about switching to those.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the wide gaps.
Yeah.
Now here's the problem with the regular ones though, like the wide gaps, they will not swallow. But you can't let them have these very long because they will choke them. Yeah. Woohoo! Dude, I want to give you a high five so bad. Yes. Oh yeah. I'm trying. Oh damn. Yes. Woo! Hold on. Son, that is a good fish.
Mm-hmm.
Golly. Come on, son.
Boy, she took that too.
Yeah, do you have pliers?
Yeah, somewhere. There you go.
Boy, she's a fatty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. She swallowed it. There we go. There she is. Good fish. Are we gonna go try and hit that other cove or no? Or are we going straight back in? Oh, we'll see what we do. I'm not sure. But as you can see, it has kind of picked up on us. And if you can't tell, we're in a little two-man. We're not in a big boat. So when it gets a little dicey out there, unfortunately we have to stop. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe we can get on some good fish. But check out this stump field, guys. There is a stump field. Stumps everywhere. So guys, that's it for today. We loaded up the boat. I gotta tell you guys, we had an amazing day. An amazing day. I mean, it was great. We caught quality over quantity, which I'm good with every time. We slammed some giants today, and that just makes me happy inside. Really happy. I'm just excited to go fishing all the time. You guys know how it is. You get excited, you get pumped about getting out there and just getting on some decent fish. And that's what it was today. We just had an amazing day. It was fun, and especially for a lake that we have never been to. We have never ever fished before. Didn't know anything about it, just went out to it, and we got on those kind of fish. So we will definitely be coming back to this lake for sure. It's not that far from the house, and I really enjoy it. But of course, that's gonna do it. I was gonna take you guys with me to the state fair, because the state fair is going on right now, and I thought that would be kind of interesting and cool for you guys to go and follow the family and all that. However, my little man's sick. He's got some kind of stomach bug, so we probably are not going to be going tonight, unfortunately. But that's going to do it for today's video. I will catch you guys on the next one. If you have not, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there, as well as the bell notification. That way you'll be notified anytime I post content just like this. And if you haven't yet, go check me out on TikTok, as well as my Patreon account. If you don't know about those, go check them out. Also, I have to give a big thank you, because recently I went over to TikTok and I had some help. I've got to say, I had some help. Hannah and Jeremy, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna leave their links to their TikToks in the description. Go check their pages out, go check their channels out. They have some fun content, as well as check out mine. I'm having some like comedy stuff and some different stuff on there. So it's a lot of fun. I'm having a good time with all of this, and I'm just glad that you guys appreciate these videos. So with that being said, that's gonna do it. So until the next adventure.